Hi, John Peterson here. We are often asked, what are the most common issues that accountants have to deal with and what can they do about them? So it's such a challenged industry when it comes to time poor, working on the business instead of in. The greatest challenges are really quite obvious. So the first one, without a doubt, is not having enough time on the business and instead being stuck in it. Many accountants do a great job of taking care of their clients, but not too many of them do a great job of taking care of themselves or their business. So getting their business into a really tip-top shape is a challenge if you're already buried in the business and you're not able to work on it. So the other issue that comes from that or flows from that is the reality that inbound inquiries are often sabotaging productivity. So what do I mean by that? So that means I'm wanting to get the work out the door, but we're so busy vetting or receiving inbound inquiries that they're actually disrupting us from doing the work to get the work out. So a great discipline and system and policy has to be created to address these things. The other one is attracting talent. We hear that people are very frustrated, unable to attract talent into their business or keep hold of that talent. Once that talent has been identified, often it'll fly away for a career move or a life change or something like that. So attracting talent, getting the talent to do the work, having time to work on the business and taking care of themselves personally, physically, emotionally, and from a health point of view, mental health, exercise, all of these elements. So the key here is to understand that one step at a time, one fundamental shift at a time, to improving the scale, the capability, the capacity of the team can mean enormous steps forward. So the tech stack you're using, the training for your people, your leadership behaviour, your daily principles of how you drive the business, how you plan for production to get out the door. These elements and your communication skills are just so important, let alone managing client expectations. So if you're interested in learning a bit more about that, maybe get your hands on our Conscious Weekly Planner. This is how you drive change in your preparation, because preparation is the mother of skill, okay? It drives repetition, and repetition is the architect of skill. Okay, so that's all for now. See you next time.